In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block downloads on Google Play Store. First, a quick reality check. There isn't a single master switch that completely blocks all downloads in the Play Store. However, you can meaningfully restrict and control what gets downloaded using the built-in parental controls. This is the most reliable method available directly inside the Play Store, and it works well for preventing new app installs based on age ratings. Start by opening the Google Play Store on the device you want to manage. In the top right corner, tap the profile icon to open your account menu. From there, go to Settings. In Settings, look for the Family section, then tap Parental Controls. You'll see an option to turn it on. When prompted, create a PIN. Choose something you can remember but that others won't easily guess, and keep it private. This PIN is your key to changing or removing restrictions later, so don't share it with anyone who shouldn't have control of the device. After turning parental controls on, select Apps and Games. Here's where you choose the strictness level. To block most downloads, pick the lowest age rating available in your region, sometimes labeled as All. This setting filters what can be downloaded by restricting access to apps rated above that level. In practice, it means that even if someone searches for an app outside the allowed rating, the Play Store will prevent installation unless your PIN is entered to override. It's important to understand the limits of this approach. You cannot fully disable the Play Store, and system apps will still function. Some pre-installed apps also can't be blocked through these controls. In some cases, kids may still see certain apps in search results, but they won't be able to install them without the PIN you set. That's expected behavior and part of how parental controls are designed. A few helpful tips. After setting the restriction, try searching for a higher-rated app to confirm the block is working. Store your PIN somewhere safe so you don't get locked out of your own settings. If multiple people use the device, keep the PIN discreet and avoid entering it in front of someone you're supervising. If you ever need to relax the restrictions, return to the same parental control screen and adjust the rating, or turn the feature off with your PIN. And if you need deeper, device-wide supervision, you can look into Google's Family link, which complements these controls, though it's set up outside the Play Store. That's it. With these parental controls enabled, you've put a strong guardrail in place to block most unwanted downloads.